Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to speak about something that has the power to transform your future, expand your opportunities, and help you achieve your biggest dreams: learning English and developing the mindset of success. Many people dream of speaking English fluently. They imagine confidently communicating with international clients, studying abroad, securing better jobs, growing their businesses, or connecting with people around the world. Yet many never begin because they believe it is too difficult. They think they are too old, too busy, or not talented enough. The truth is simple. Success in English is not about talent. It is about consistency. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. They did not start with perfect grammar, a large vocabulary, or excellent pronunciation. They started with simple words, basic sentences, and many mistakes. What made the difference was that they continued learning when others gave up. Learning English is a journey, not a race. You do not need to learn everything in 1 month. You only need to improve a little every day. If you learn 5 new words daily, you will learn more than 1,800 words in a year. If you read 1 page every day, you will finish multiple books in a year. Small actions repeated consistently create extraordinary results. So, how can you learn English effectively? First, make English part of your daily life. Read English articles, books, and news. Listen to podcasts, songs, and audiobooks. Watch English videos and movies with subtitles. The more you surround yourself with the language, the faster your brain adapts. Second, practice speaking every day. Do not wait until you become perfect. Perfection is not the goal. Communication is. Speak in front of a mirror, record your voice, join online conversations, or practice with friends. Every conversation builds confidence. Third, write regularly. Keep a journal in English. Write about your day, your goals, your ideas, and your experiences. Writing helps organize your thoughts and strengthens your understanding of grammar and vocabulary. Fourth, embrace mistakes. Many learners are afraid of making errors. They stay silent because they fear being judged. But mistakes are not signs of failure. They are signs of growth. Every mistake teaches a lesson that brings you closer to fluency. Success in English follows the same principles as success in life. Both require discipline, patience, and persistence. There will be days when you feel motivated and excited. There will also be days when progress feels slow. During those moments, remember why you started. Goals are achieved by action, not wishes. If you want to achieve something meaningful, set clear goals. Instead of saying, "I want better English," say, "I will learn 10 new words every day," or "I will speak English for 15 minutes daily." Specific goals create measurable progress. Hard work is the foundation of every achievement. No athlete becomes a champion without training. No entrepreneur builds a successful business without effort. No student achieves excellence without studying. Likewise, no one becomes fluent in English without consistent practice. There is a powerful truth that successful people understand. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. When you read difficult material, speak despite your nervousness, or challenge yourself with new vocabulary, you are growing. Comfort may feel safe, but growth happens when you push beyond your limits. Never compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Everyone has a different journey. Some learn quickly, while others take more time. What matters is not how fast you move. What matters is that you keep moving forward. When challenges appear, Do not quit. Challenges are part of the process. Every obstacle is an opportunity to become stronger, smarter, and more resilient. The people who succeed are not those who never fail. They are those who refuse to stop trying. Believe in yourself, even when progress seems invisible. A seed spends weeks growing beneath the surface before anyone sees a plant. In the same way, your daily efforts are creating growth that may not be immediately visible. Trust the process and remain patient. Your future is being shaped by what you do today. Every minute spent learning is an investment in yourself. Every new word, every lesson, every conversation, and every challenge overcome brings you closer to your goals. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. Imagine speaking English confidently. Imagine communicating with international customers, traveling comfortably, studying advanced topics, and accessing opportunities that once seemed impossible. That future is within your reach if you remain committed. Success is not reserved for the lucky. It belongs to those who work hard, stay focused, and refuse to give up. The road may be long, but every step forward matters.